Welcome to Elite Cars. Today we're diving into the epitome of Japanese luxury, the 2026 Toyota Century SUV. This masterpiece redefines opulence, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern innovation. Under the hood, the Century SUV boasts a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid engine, delivering a combined 406 horsepower. This powertrain ensures a serene and efficient ride with an electric-only range of up to 43 miles. The exterior exudes elegance with its stately design and the iconic Phoenix emblem symbolizing prestige. Optional sliding rear doors enhance accessibility, adding a touch of sophistication to every entrance. Step inside to discover a sanctuary of comfort. The rear cabin features fully reclining airline-style seats, complete with extendable footrests and a refreshment function to rejuvenate passengers during journeys. Advanced noise-canceling technology ensures an atmosphere of tranquility, allowing you to relax or conduct meetings undisturbed. If you're enjoying this overview, don't forget to subscribe to Elite Cars and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Priced at approximately $170,000, the Century SUV stands as a formidable competitor to the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Bentley Bentayga, offering unparalleled luxury with Toyota's renowned reliability. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Century SUV is a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, setting a new benchmark in the luxury SUV segment. Its exquisite design, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort make it a true masterpiece in automotive craftsmanship. Stay tuned to Elite Cars for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news.